I don't have a clue what this would be. It's 0 bytes anyway. So disk drill, it recognized having the partition drives. The biggest drawback I can see for the free version though is you can only recover 500 megabytes for free. But if that's all you need, then that's probably fine. It's found 9 audio files. Five documents. $132 pictures. Let's see, I think you can preview these. So basically none of these are important because they're already backed up anyway. This is all stuff I was selling on eBay. Let's see. And it found 43 video files. Unfortunately, most of the video files are too large to actually try to recover within the 500 megabyte limit. I mean, even this one's 513.13. I don't think you can preview those. Here's one 281. Well, let's try this one instead. Where did that go? 420 megabyte. Let's see if we can recover it. Why is it saying... Oh, I think it was also trying to recover those pictures. It was still selected. Okay, so let's click here and see where our file is. Well, where did it put it? That's confusing. Okay, it's supposed to be recovering the document, so it should say file. I guess it'd say file 14. This is kind of cumbersome. I don't see anything that says file 14, or file for that matter, so what did it do with it? Well, I don't know where it put it. Why did that go away? Okay, I'm thinking this is kind of a big fail. Let's see, what was disk drill called? I'm about ready to give up on it. There's clever files. Let's see if there's a clever files folder. Nope. I don't think it actually recovered anything. It's not here. It wouldn't have put it back on what it took it off of. Okay, I'm going to call this one a fail. Not only are you limited to only 500 megabytes to download, but you can't even find it after it's supposedly been recovered. Okay, so that's an epic fail for DiskDrill. The only real advantage I saw in it, if it worked correctly, it likes to remind you have nothing available to recover, really. So continue in basic. I wonder what deep scan it already done. A pretty deep scan. I wonder how much deeper it would go. I'd be interested in knowing about reconstructing file formats, but I don't know. How much is it? Wow, it's $89. One user, 3 computers. Like $120 or almost for lifetime upgrades as well. But it does show hidden partitions. It's got my USB drive in there. It has my SD card, is the one that in question. But it also shows you system partitions and stuff. So that is a plus, as long as it would actually work. I don't know what protect means. Okay, so that might be interesting to use. But anyway, I'm going to give this one an epic fail because even though it did supposedly recover some stuff, let's see if it'll download a picture where to put it. Okay, 6 megabytes. Preview. Okay. Recovered. Well, I'm not seeing the recovery results. It should have a folder to click on to go to what it found, and it doesn't. It doesn't even have it in here. So let's look in documents and see if it put a picture in it. That particular picture. Nope, it didn't do that either. Yeah, there's no way that I would risk paying $100 just about to buy software that it may do this afterwards too. I don't know. So that one's a fail. Let's see, just delete that, I guess.